Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we are going to be creating a beautiful night out makeup look. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First step for starting your makeup is to prime your skin, and for that we are going to be using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This and apply it everywhere onto my face, just like that, and also on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my brows, and for that I'm going to be using this brow lift from e.l.f. I'm just going to use this and set my brows with this and do it on my other brows just like so. It really gives that beautiful shape to your brows that is just so nice, and it also stays for the whole day. That's so good. On me though, it stays the whole. Okay, so next for color correcting your face, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Paris Full Wear Concealer. So I'm just gonna take some and put it right here on all the places where I think I need some color correction. I'm just going to blend this with my brush. Okay, so now for our foundation, I'm going to be using this Kiro Daily Dew Serum Foundation. And I'm going to be mixing it with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. With my hands, I'm just going to spread this all over my face. Just like so. Into my skin. Just like that. Okay, so next for bronzing up my face, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. I'm just going to swirl my brush into this, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. I'm just going to contour my nose with this as well. Now for concealing my face, I'm going to be using this KBD's Liquid Concealer. And I'm just going to use this to highlight my skin. Now I'm just going to blend this concealer. Guys, now for the cream blush, I'm gonna be using this Flower Beauty Blush Balm. With my hands, I'm just gonna put some right like that. I'm going to just blend this. It's like even the little bit of this blush goes a long way. It's so pigmented. So I just like to use a very little of this. Some more, just like so. I'm also gonna just use some right on my nose, and also just right on my chin. Now for setting my skin, I'm gonna be using this K-Beauty setting powder. Because now I'm just going to powder up my face. I'm just going to set my entire face. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette from Morphe. Now from this palette, first shade that I'm gonna be using is this shade. It's for MFAD. And I'm gonna use that for all over my crease, just like that. And I'm just gonna take it right on my lower lash line. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking this right here, this shade called Mocha, right this one. And I'm gonna use that right on my lash line, just like that. Also, and I'm just going to blend this with my fluffier brush, just like that. Because now I'm going to be taking this shade called Chip right here, and I'm just going to use this and just more like darken this corner a little bit more, just like that, just to make it a bit more like smokier. Because now I'm going to be taking my eyeliner brush, and with this I'm going to be taking this shade, this shade Central Park. I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. I'm going to line my lower lash line with this. And just like that, I'm going to do the same on my other eyes as well. Just from this palette, I'm going to use to fill in my brows as well. I'm going to be taking this shade and this shade, both of these. I'm going to mix them together and use this as my brow powder. Okay, so now for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. Just like that. I'm going to do the same on my other eyes. I'm also going to line my inner corners with this. I'm just taking it and I'm just going to... Okay, so now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Big Boot Mascara. Okay guys, after I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to be using this powder blush, and it is from e.l.f. It's their Face Duo. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's highlighter. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's lip liner. It's in the shade Hype. Okay, so now for our lips, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet from Perry Para. It's in the shade 23. It's a beautiful, like a cocoa nude kind of color. The shade name is also kind of like a nutty nude. So I'm just going to use this right on the center of my lips, and with my fingers, I'm going to blend this. Okay, so now for our last step, I'm going to be using this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm just going to Okay, guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.